guys, welcome back to Echoing Magic Travel, the travel agency where we aspire to help our clients plan vacations and make memories that'll echo for years to come. I'm Johanna. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's going to be a get to know me segment. So you're going to get to know a little bit more about me. And for today, it's a very unique part of why I am the way I am, at least to some degree, one of the things that helped make me who I am. If you haven't yet though, hit subscribe, follow us here over on social media. That way you don't miss any of our amazing content. We got a lot coming up the next month for you. So one thing that really did shape who I am in a get to know me kind of way is that I did grow up with a Disney sibling, my sister. We have been Disney siblings since we were opening up our cassette tape favorite Disney princess songs to put in our cassette tape players when we were 6 and 8 years old, and well before that. I think at 3 years old I got a Pocahontas ornament. I mean, we've been Disney girls our whole life. And my sister has influenced me in so many ways, but there are a few very specific things that the way she is that help me now as a travel agent that I never would have seen coming. Before I tell you those few things though, I have to tell you a quick inside story. This is how much of a Disney sibling we were to each other. So when we were in college, we were talking one day and my sister and I realized we hadn't been back home to Walt Disney World in Florida in quite a few years. We knew college was coming to a close. Who knew where life was going to take us? And sure enough, she does live on the other side of the country, but that's just an excuse for me to go travel and see her and her amazing family any chance I can get. But it did take us further away from each other. And we said, you know, it's going to be worth the investment for us to make those memories one more time before adult life kind of sweeps us away. So we went to our parents. It was right around Christmas time, and we told them, we don't want to do anything for Christmas this year. Let's plan for our college spring break. Now, granted, it was busy down at Walt Disney World when we went, but we planned to go for Christmas. Instead of buying any presents or anything, we all invested the whole family in being able to get back to Walt Disney World for one more amazing family vacation. And it was epic. We got to relive some amazing memories from when we were kids. We got to make some new ones with some of the attractions at that point we hadn't seen yet, which is always one of my favorite parts about going home to Walt Disney World or to Disneyland. There's always something new that you can experience the next time and relive some of those old memories. And that definitely, talk about an echoing memory moment, that trip just sticks in my mind and always will. So what are some ways that my sister, being herself, helped influence me in ways that actually are very practical ways that I then take care of my clients? I have 3 for you. Number 1, my sister, her middle name is Joy. And we've always teased her that you never could have seen it coming, that she just is joy, just about as close to being something as you can be. She always finds the joy in something. She's always there to point someone else towards the things that are going to make you happy. That is a top goal for me. She has taught me that my whole life, that if you look for the positive, you can find it. And that is what I do for my clients. I am going to try to find every ounce of joy that I can get for you out of your trips. That is an absolute top priority for me. The next thing for my sister that she helped influence me is she is incredibly detail, remembering. Okay. So what I mean by that is we used to travel around different places, and if we went back to a place a second time and someone was saying hi to us, I would be like, oh, please reintroduce yourself to me. If I've only seen you one time, please tell me your name, tell me stuff again. My sister, she could remember where they were from, what their favorite coffee was. She put the value on details, and specifically details that mattered to other people. And that is something she taught me a long time ago. That is a high priority for Echoing Magic Travel, because like I say all the time, don't go on someone else's vacation. Make it personalized. Make it about what matters to you. And us being able at Echoing Magic to put that personalized priority on our clients' trips to what matters to them, the details, getting to know our clients, getting to know you on a consultation call. You're going to get to know us. I want to get to know you so that way I can put that priority on the details that matter to you. The last thing is she has always put a very high priority on education. She actually went to school to be an educator. She has always put absolute A+ effort into everything she does and never stops learning. It's different things at different points in life, but she's always learning something new. She's put that as a priority in the front of my mind, that especially for the insane world of travel that's always changing to some degree or another. There's always something that is new in the world of travel. That it is our job as travel advisors to stay on top of the newest things, to educate ourselves, to keep learning, because it does a disservice to our clients if we don't know if we aren't educated up to the level that we should be. And that is a very high priority for us here at Echoing Magic Travel. So I hope this was a fun little way for you to get to know me, kind of get to know me through getting to know my sister a little bit. We tease our parents that, are you sure we weren't actually twins when we were born? Even though I am 2.5 years older than her, we just feel like that connection has always been there. And growing up with a Disney sibling, if you know, you know, the bond is something that just doesn't go away. I hope this found you guys having a great summer. I hope you've been enjoying all of your memories so far. I'll see you next time. May the magic be with you, travelers.